Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the chapter Noise Pollution. There are various effects of noise pollution. Few of them are increased stress, irritation, nervousness, sleep disturbance, increased blood pressure, and many others. High-intensity sound waves cause unnecessary ripples in the ear canal, disturbing the fluid that aid communication between the ear and the brain. This disturbance destroys the tiny, very delicate hair follicles that send signals to the brain whenever sounds enter the ear. Hearing loss is very common after 50% of these hairs are gone. In extreme cases, noises can make our life so stressful that we become socially aloof. Aloof here means alone, away from the society, unproductive at work due to poor concentration and emotional instability due to reduced self-confidence. Without the help of those around you, one person might end up developing an unlikable, socially suppressive personality without knowing it. The noise which we get used to can lead to serious psychological disorders, and sadly, one may not even realize it because it becomes a part of us. Research shows that too much noise makes people easily irritable, nervous, irrational in decision making, and constant unease throughout the day. If you have ever lived in a noisy neighborhood, you know how irregular sleep can get on a noisy night. The danger of not sleeping well at night is that your day gets boring, you get tired early, and you are forced to forego most energy draining activities. Means you are not fit that particular day. You cannot, for example, be effective at the gym or in the school or anywhere in the house also, which increases cholesterol levels in your body. Poor sleeping patterns can also cause serious cardiovascular problems in the long run, means different kinds of heart problem. Being exposed to noise pollution for 10 consecutive years or more raises our chances of suffering from at least one cardiovascular disease later in life by 300%. Conversing, talking in a noisy environment is almost impossible. Working with noisy machines, for example, affects our intersocial life and makes our days seem longer than they actually are. If a person has lost his or her hearing ability due to noise, it is imperative that he or she has to acquire hearing devices as soon as possible. Noise pollution damages the nervous system of animal. Animal loses the control of its mind. They become dangerous. Noise can have a detrimental effect on animals by causing stress, increasing risk of mortality by changing the delicate balance in predator, prey detection and avoidance, and by interfering with their use of sounds in communication, especially in relation to reproduction and in navigation. Noise also makes species communicate louder, which is called Lombard vocal response. Please do the exercise given below in your classwork exercise book and send all your homeworks by tomorrow to the mail address given below.